Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Terri Winfred, but you can call me Terry. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can get 3 different color pigmentation using the same lipstick. So I'm borrowing this idea from interior design, where we learned about color theory, and in color theory there's, tint. You get to learn about tint, hues, shades, and all that jazz, yeah? So tint, you get a tint by adding white to the primary color that you have. And then you get a shade by adding black to the primary color that you have. So that's basically what I'm going to be doing to achieve these 3 different color pigmentation using the same lipstick. Okay, so yeah, let's get started. So the lipstick I'm going to be using is this BH Cosmetics. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, BH Cosmetics in the shade True Heart. And to help with the addition of color, I'm going to be using just this basic regular color pencil, eyebrow/lip pencil. This is Davis color number 1. This is Davis color number 46 as well. And then this is Miss Rose color number 24, which I got from Taskies a while back. So yeah, they're all like 30 bob, if not 50. Depends with where you get it from, yeah? Anyway, so let's get started. I'm gonna start with the tint first. So yeah, let's get started.
Yeah. Yeah. Bob. Do what you won't do. Do what you won't do. We say do what you won't do. Yeah. Do what you won't do. Do what you won't do. Do what you won't do. We say do what you won't do. Kelly's brand do the bench. Well, this is light work for my crew. All that Canyon vibe in our groove. Looking for a shindig, we got room. Crawling smoke below me to get full. My girl bang thing like this tune. Y'all go dried up, she need lube. If she thirsty, I got juice. Legal tender, looking brand new. Yeah, my hair watu na pewa. Kani mafua totuliza na kingo tungu na tumetuhemewa na vua madera kwenye mitungi mikasi mavela. You can call me Mr. Ring Ding, Kenny Big Deal, reaching for the big meal. Jim Chinny 111 representing. You don't win the gang, meet the honey broad day, tuna legalize. Do what you won't do. Do what you won't do, we say do what you won't do. Do what you won't do, we say do what you won't do. Do what you won't do, we say do what you won't do. Do what you won't do, hey. Do what you won't do. You and your crew and we still do what we won't do. Me and my crew and we say do what you won't do. You and your crew and we still do what we won't do. They call me G-Zay, rude boy from the east of the motherland. Bad chick on my side on the left side. Plus I got my drink on my other hand. On the other hand, I'm about that black, that red, that white, that green. Better understand, I've repped my city, I'm so NAIROBI. Ayy, had a couple shots, took a chill pill, now I'm on my level, son. Yeah, we hella faded, son. Couple paintings that we don't know where they're from. Yo, we tryna get elevators, swimming pool shots with your girl and now you hating. I said I seen her looking scandalous, so with the homies and she really wanna hang with us. One time for my crew though, BTS the gang, my G, you know. Yeah, 111 to the world, yo. It's like we're finding so free throw. So catch me in Nairo, chillin' with my bros. Catch 'em single like this, and then I lay low. Wagwan. Do what you won't do. Do what you won't do. We say do what you won't do. Do what you won't do. We say do what you won't do. Do what you won't do. We say do what you won't do. Do what you won't do. Hey. Do what you won't do. You and your crew and we still do what we won't do. Me and my crew and we say do what you won't do. You and your crew and we still do what we won't do. Me and my crew.